Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3T1043, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, tap on Bluetooth and Device Connection. Now click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. And when it's ready, tap on Bluetooth. Now you need to select Pair New Device, wait for available ones to show and click on the chosen one. In order to connect, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this gear icon next to the device and tap on Forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to connect to the same one, select Pair New Device, click on it and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!